Welcome back to Good Morning Vail. Time to talk about your dental health. A lot of times people are getting their appointments done this time of year for their twice yearly cleaning. If you're a little nervous about going to the dentist, we're going to introduce you to two friendly dentists here in the Vail Valley. We have Jonathan Harder. We also have Matthew Hahn. He's the new guy there. But Jonathan,
right.
You guys have been in the Valley for quite some time.
We have. We've been here since July 2012, and yeah, 12 and a half years. I can't believe it's gone this fast.
Okay, and you brought Matt on. I understand that you guys knew each other from dental school.
Well, actually, we didn't know each other, but we went to the same school and University of Minnesota, and he was a few years behind me, but
we won't say how long.
Okay, perfect.
But yeah, and so we're glad to have him on, and he's doing a whole bunch of the procedures that I currently didn't do and had to refer out, so now we're able to keep everybody in the office without having to send them to another specialist.
Yeah, and that's really nice to just be able to do all of that in-house. And you know, if you're a little nervous about going to the dentist, I had a lot of cavities as a kid. I mean, I remember that Novocaine shot like it was yesterday. Fortunately, fluoride came out. I didn't eat as much sugary cereals. But for the people that are scared, they have that thought about the dentist, there's some new technology that kind of takes that sting out of it.
Yeah, literally. You know, everyone, the biggest thing, people sit down in a chair and they're so nervous about having the shot. And there's some great new technology that we just got, and it's actually called the Blvd. And what it is it's a machine that tricks your brain into not feeling the shot. And
really?
When you turn it on, you can.
Okay, I can turn it on here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It actually has a light, and it vibrates at a certain frequency to where when you have the shot, your body only feels the vibration and there's no pain. So
really? So that goes in your mouth around the tooth?
Yeah,
That's right.
Literally.
It's pretty crazy. Now, and
Okay.
even outside of that, we do have a lot of new technology in the office. We love seeing patients who are afraid of the dentist, really reintroduce them to the practice. There's so many things that have changed that make it so much easier on their end.
Well, I think the technology has changed so much from when we were kids or older adults were kids. So, I mean, I think the younger generation, they get the benefit of all this technology and not being as afraid. And you know what? Dental health is so important to your overall health. I know a lot of times you guys will see things that could trigger, maybe there's another health problem going on. So it is very important to get these, you know, not the annual, but the twice yearly checkups. And let's talk a little bit about crowns. If we need to come in for that, that is another big procedure, but you guys make it a little bit easier by making it a one-time appointment.
Yeah, you know, traditionally when you had a crown, you had to come in and have an impression made of your tooth, and we had to put a temporary on, send it away for a lab for 2 to 3 weeks before we got it back, and then we'd hope that it would fit, and sometimes it did, and sometimes the lab wouldn't make it, right? So we'd have to send it back, and the process could actually get stretched out to a month or so, and now we can come in and take an AutoCAD picture of your tooth and design a restoration that goes in your tooth in one hour.
Okay.
And you're in and out the door, and you know, out to the ski lift, and didn't miss a beat. So
It's really convenient. It gets rid of that temporary stage. For our second homeowners here, they can get in and get out and not have to come back 2 weeks later. So it's really convenient for all of our patients.
Okay, and now with your new guy here, you've got a great incentive to get people to come on in. You're accepting new patients, and you have an incentive program, a chance to win an iPad.
Yeah, you could talk about
Yeah,
that.
we're doing this thing called a refer-a-thon right now. What we're doing is any patient who comes in now through December 15th, and they refer somebody into our office, they get a $25 Visa gift card right on the spot, and then they get their name thrown into a bowl, and we raffle off for an iPad at the end of the 15
Yeah.
Okay, so that could be a nice little incentive.
It really is.
And then a few more things you do, cosmetic dentistry.
I do a lot of cosmetic dentistry, veneers, and you know, for a lot of our patients now that, as we're, myself included, we're all getting a little older, starting getting some wrinkles, we started doing Botox and Juvederm, and people are incorporating that as part of their cleaning appointment.
Right when you're laying there in the
That's
chair.
right.
Okay, well, that is the one-stop shop, not only for the crowns, but your Botox as well. Well, great to have you guys here, and don't forget about the referral program. You can get the $25 gift card, and then get entered into the drawing for an iPad. It's all over at Vail Dentistry, and you can call them at 766-SMILE or check them out on the web, vaildentistry.com.